Next person up is the lovely Caroline Kwan. I'm working on my diction so that you can understand more clearly, but it's a little blown out.
Yeah,
Caroline Kwan, you look lovely. What's your date?
Thank you. We will go surfing. You, me, and the open sea, baby. Think Baywatch, think Blue Crush, think running down the beach. Maybe you need CPR. I love you.
CPR? Alright, 3,000.
Ladies and gentlemen, hold on, please, appreciate that again, appreciate that again. What?
I can figure it out. I know that. Don't worry about it.
Makes sense, you can figure it out. A very technical, okay, so in case anybody didn't hear, streaming date, Caroline Kwan, we're gonna start the bidding at $3,000 for this Paul. Brick, $4,000, $4,000 for Brick. The bid is $4,000. Nicholas Palm is looking sweaty. He is looking at his girlfriend. He is looking panicked. The bid is $4,000.
What'd you say?
Brick, $4,000.
$4,001.
I need an increment of 100. Going once.
No. 4,500.
The bid is at $4,500 for the date of the flamingo. Caroline Kwan, my girlfriend. Ali is calling his banker. He doesn't look like he's it. What?
Come on, over the left. Oh, come on. We're talking OT swimsuits, you and me.
It was a long time ago. It was a long time ago since me. It is to Nick going once, going twice. So.
This is gonna be good for me. So we're going to the beach. Oh yeah, I am so excited. This was worth. I would have went up more too, by the way. So yeah. But
Oh, so you're being cheap?
Hey.
You're
it is
being
what it
cheap?
is. Blame these guys.
You would have gone up more?
I would have.
All right, 3-2.
Nope. You're mine. You're mine.